of carry system.
This is my year. Carry football.
21 is coming.
This is my year. You understand? Then Arsenal second. I will still say the normal routine. Everybody know it. It's the normal routine. Barca, you go still win that league. Amorim is not doing anything in ACM. Amorim is not going to do anything. PSG is going to top it.
Yeah, that one now.
PSG, let me say.
It doesn't like normal food.
Food we dey chop every day.
Yeah.
Lee or
Less.
Monaco.
Less.
Yeah.
Oh nice.
Yes.
Manchester United #1. No, all these Chelsea fans. Say you start playing 100.
If Chelsea make top 10,
calm down. Even though you go there house, they play Monday night. No worry. Manchester United. No worry. Then Liverpool make them no sack and a slot here. They just finish third. So that they don't go sack and okay, they don't sack. Oh, that 1 month coach. That man to perform. Just know the top 5 or top 6. I know they call Chelsea. Top 8. Like no man back out. But maybe this season, who knows? Who knows? But they're not going to start the Monday.
Yeah.
So who knows?
The Monday.
With those players, hope until we go make Amorim finish top 4. That man must sack him.
I want them to sack him.
But I prove us, but maybe don't be like saying I ban you. Yes, man. They really do.
Napoli first, as I said before.
Nice
breast. Obviously, they perform with a Lille nice breast.
I say Lille nice breast.
You don't call Angas.
No,
Angas. Maybe they vote for Angas.
6-7.
Hala Madrid.
I go give Premier League. Then I will call Chelsea because they're not really playing anything. This season, they're just like Manchester United. So playing only Premier League. I feel like they get enough chance to perform.
Energy is supposed to.
You don't get as you go be where Mourinho can just come back. The chosen one. If they surely do something now. If not saying no win, he can just win something.
I swear.
If you be champions, if you be anything, but
no, leave that and not leave for us.
But I go try. I go put Madrid. I won't call it TM because Simeone. But no, just sack him. Then coming to Serie A, Como number 1. Como. Everybody on the Como, but Como. I don't think Como don't be coming for sports. Como. He really saved my life. Como. See. My Awada boys now. I no go forget 40 if I come here. You get as you go inside I come here. I no go call my brother. Onye can go. I go for it and go. I can just enter Frankfurt.
Yeah.
And I believe so. No man. If Frankfurt no do it this in the following season, they go surely do it. Ben Leverkusen scores. Boniface is back. Definitely. We don't say Boniface. That celebration. Like, we dey miss am very well.
I start from League 1. They go.
You don't give Premier League respect.
For League 1, calm down. No rush me. Then for Premier League now, where it is more based.
Home base.
I will start from third.
You know, third now. Start from first.
Third now, I'm rooting for something like Tottenham.
Yeah.
Then second, I'm thinking of something like Arsenal defending champions. You grab. You know, say, now normal 20 years when they take them. You grab. I'll be 22 years.
The president will do like before.
Normally, Bayern go carry their plate because na plate they give them. Bayern go carry their plate. Then
no be small plate.
Bayern Leverkusen go they follow. Then team go carry second na Chelsea. Only game where they play this season maybe Carabao Cup and FA Cup. Then focus more on Premier League. They no go to enter plane come on England. So they are home base. Only boss now. The boss driver
Now this plane they will stop in London.
But I just pity my brothers. Chelsea based on say nah only that game where they play for. Just like this one talk, they don't go come on England. Then Bundesliga. No man Bayern with their hot plates.
Whatever.
But they will use hot. So we're going to talk about 3 things we go make top 3 in your own leagues. For each league, we just know the things where you know say they go make top 3. I don't know which team where you think say they go make top 3 in your own league.
I'm not being biased here. You understand? I'm a Manchester United fan. in the grabber. I know they bias. So for me, we go make top 3. You understand? With the situation of things, Arsenal, I will not write them off because their signing are very incredible. They sign plenty like good players plus the one we they have beside in the grabber.
Yeah.
But for me, I will still put Manchester United as number 1. This is my
Because of Carrick system.
This is my year. Carry football.
21 is coming.
This is my year. You understand? Then Arsenal second.
Yeah.
They grab. Then I'll drop Man City as third
Yeah.
for Premier League. Then La Liga. I will still say the normal routine. Everybody know it. The normal routine. Barca will still win that league. I know they do anything. Barca will still outplay Madrid. But Madrid might they made new signings this
Yeah.
season.
Challenge.
So I will not write them off. I will not write them
off.
off because Barca normally they touch Madrid hand nowadays. But I still say for me, Barca, Madrid, ATM, the normal routine.
Yeah.
Then when it comes to German league, the Bundesliga,
Bundesliga.
Bayern always,
Yeah.
Dortmund and Bayern Leverkusen.
Yeah.
Then which other Serie A?
Syria.
Inter, Juve,
Then
and Napoli. Amorim is not doing anything in ACM. Amorim is not going to do anything.
Yeah.
Then La Liga, you always know PSG. PSG is
Yeah.
going to top it.
Yeah, that one now.
PSG, let me say,
It doesn't like normal food.
food wey dey chop every day.
Yeah.
They grab. PSG will top it. So other things can come in. Let me say by Lee or
Lens.
Monaco.
Lens.
Yeah.
Oh nice,
Yes. So
I see what you
what's
did
your
there.
opinion?
Normal, Manchester United will be there. Manchester United number 1. No, all these Chelsea fans. Say you start playing 100.
If Chelsea make top 10,
Calm
Yeah. Even though they don't go Champions League, sir.
down. Even though you go there house, they play Monday night.
Yeah.
No worry, Manchester United number 1. Then I know greedy.
Yeah.
My neighbors will stay beside me.
Yeah.
So Manchester City go there.
Yeah.
They go dey watch me
Yeah.
for top.
No, man. When you and your neighbor dey together, your neighbor don't fit go dey far.
Then Liverpool make dem no sack and slot here. We just finish third. So that they no go sack am. Okay, they don sack am.
They don sack am.
Oh, that one month coach. That man too go perform. Oh. That man dangerous. Oh.
I swear.
He play on
Wetin
beating
play
That man
Brahmas, guy?
dangerous. Oh. Sha dem go still finish third. Sha. I love, but just know the top 5 but top
Yeah.
6.
I know they call Chelsea.
Top 8. La Liga, normal man are back now. But maybe this season, who knows? Who knows? But they're not going to sign the Monday.
Yeah.
So, who knows?
Maybe the Monday.
With those players, hopefully they finish first.
But we no gas make money.
Then Baka too no go lose guard now. So
Baka, yes now.
then ATM, if ATM mistakenly go do those nonsense,
Villarreal
go
go top
sell those players.
Yeah.
Villarreal fit top them, but man just say ATM third. Then for
Bundesliga.
Serie A, Inter fit no win am.
I swear.
Not we go make Amorim finish top 4. That man must sack am.
I want me to sack am.
When I prove us back, then you don't be like saying I'm man you.
Yes, man.
They really do.
Napoli first, Inter second, then Roma third.
True, Sha, true.
Why League 1? Normal PSG now. Then,
Yeah.
as I said before.
Nice.
Nice breast. I wish Lily they perform well, would have been Lil nice breast.
I
Yeah.
sell nice breast.
But let's just
You don't call Angas.
No,
Angas, my last. Maybe they vote for Angas.
6-7. Why
Yeah.
for Bundesliga? I want me like the team for this series intense this season. Sha.
Yeah.
But Dortmund just they sell the player, so still Bayern again. Then Dortmund and Frankfurt third. Frankfurt will finish ahead of Leverkusen. So
Yeah.
my predictions for the season. But still, yes, I still remind you, nothing for Chelsea. 10. I
No, yeah, your own opinion now.
Nothing for them.
Hala Madrid.
Killer than Yanks.
I go give Premier League team their respect.
Yeah,
I go start
yeah.
from Premier League, so
You go give us our respect.
I go first call Arsenal the defending champion.
As how now?
Na me
Yes.
talk
In
am.
your opinion.
the defending champions, they sure say they really good. Even though say PSG beat them for Champions League, we know say Arsenal are good. Arsenal themselves don't beat them for group stage. So, and I feel like say maybe Man U go continue from where they stopped from last season. Carry
God bless
football. I'm
you,
not
bro.
being biased because I'm a Manchester, I'm a Madrid.
Oh no, what Lagos?
Then I will call Chelsea because they're not really playing anything. This season, they're just like Manchester United. So playing only Premier League. I feel like say they get enough chance to perform.
Energy is supposed to.
I'm not discrediting City. They are
Or
good, but
Liverpool.
maybe Maresca will struggle a little bit, but they will be in top
Before
four.
the fear adapt to
With the
them.
new coach,
Yeah,
man.
they will
With
be
the
in
new
top
coach
four.
system.
So-
True.
Let me move to La Liga. Normally now, you know, get as e go be where Mourinho can just come back.
The chosen one.
You know, he go surely do something now. If not say he not winning, he can just win something.
I swear.
If he be champions, if he be anything, but
No, leave that and not leave for us.
but I go try.
Leave Copa the leave Champions League
I
for Man U.
go put Madrid top. Not that because I'm a Madrid fan, but with the sign wey we don make.
Yeah.
And the kind of football Mourinho dey play, if you just win that league, if you no do well for that
Yes,
league,
if you don't
Score one goal defend.
score one goal defend. So then Barca, not my rival neighbor, they will surely be there. I won't call it TM because Simeone,
But
no,
look
no,
man
they just sack am. That haram football is too much. So I dey feel like say team wey dey like Girona last 3 seasons,
Yeah.
fit just come. Team maybe like Alaves or Ribetis, something. Ribetis most especially.
I won't forget Ribetis.
So Sevilla, I'm not gonna put Sevilla for the conference for the next 5 years because everything just dey scatter. Imagine say
Now when they
they
go
say
Europa League,
Akko
you go see
Adams go Serie A. Akko Adams wey dey save you wey we wan go relegation. So my 3 teams now na only Madrid, Barca, and maybe Ribetis. Then coming to Serie A, Como na number 1. Como, everybody dey underrate Como, but Como, I know what Como don do for me for sports.
Almost he really saved my life.
Como, see, okay, they all retain Nico Paz 1.
Okay.
Fabregas no gree go, even though say top
And they are buying Chaluba as well.
top managers dey come. Everybody dey underrate Chalobah, but Chalobah good pass all the whole Chelsea defender except this Lacrosse wey just newly sign. I no go lie for you. So Como number 1, Inter definitely number 2. I would like go for AC Milan because of Modric, but I will not be biased. I will call team like Roma. With their signing, I swear Roma dey really do well. I swear I dey watch their game. I no go call Juve na old ladies.
I
Old
swear,
ladies
better
dey
old
do.
ladies.
Yeah.
So
Otika.
Bundesliga, Bayern normally now, no who dey argue with them, nobody.
That food now.
With the attack of Kane, Olise and Diaz,
Nah,
100 goal is short for them.
normal food.
100 goal. So I will go for my 2 brothers, my Awada boys. Now I no go forget 040 if I come here.
I
In the
see.
case as you go inside, I come here, I no go call my brother. Onye I go go for Onyeka. Onyeka can just enter.
I call Leverkusen.
Enter Frankfurt.
Yeah.
And I believe say normally if Frankfurt no do well this season, the following season they go surely do well.
Yeah.
I no go put Leipzig for them because anytime when Leipzig say their main player or their outbreak player, they go fall.
Yeah, they go fall.
But they fit just dey top 5 or top 4, just like the way I put Man City. So then the 3rd thing then Bayer Leverkusen because Boniface is back definitely. We no say Boniface that celebration like we dey miss am very well. So may I put Boniface Bayer Leverkusen. Then
League One.
French league, PSG number 1. Now PSG wey be say Dembele dey play only 12 matches as a starter wey dey play only 12 matches.
And he's a Ballon d'Or contender.
So PSG number 1, maybe Marseille number 2.
The Marseille actually sell some players. Do you think
they,
they can?
they say the likes of Greenwood, but they still want to replace Greenwood. If they fit get a better replacement for Greenwood, okay, but if not, for their pocket. So the 3rd thing I feel call for them Lens. If they continue with the way they ended last season, they fit still make. And I didn't see them selling any of their main players. I'm not watching them most of the time, but I didn't hear any news about Lens, this Lens. So I feel like they will continue that same way. Just like the way Manchester United
Yeah, they will keep the energy.
Yeah, they will keep the energy. The synergy is still there. So that's all.
Chelsea.
But more hear from your own opinion now.
No, I don't enter anybody. I will just get straight to the point.
More just calm down. More calm down.
Make I start from League 1. They go.
You know, give Premier League respect.
For League 1,
first.
calm down. No rush me. For League 1 now, My first na normal PSG now. Yeah, PSG go carry first. Then maybe something like Marseille now. Marseille na people now are they expect say they go come well. Then Monaco. And people now are they expect say they go still do well for Ligue 1. Then coming to Serie A, I will first pick my second club, Inter. Those people now they root for them well. And with some little adjustment they are making it. Though they sold somebody like Dumfries, maybe saying a very reasonable player.
Carlo Augusto dey now.
They still retain some players now, maybe say they still do something. Then Napoli, they're very, very good. What's it they call them? AC Milan.
Amorim
for them. So with the likes of Modric and others, I'm still rooting for them. Then coming to Bundesliga, now Bayern normally now. Bayern, maybe Frankfurt or maybe Leverkusen too. The three of them I'm thinking they fit just do a reasonable something. Then La Liga will be our second best league in the world. I think La Liga, Madrid might actually do something this season. Yes, I'm thinking Madrid. Barcelona don't 2-1.
Don't threaten our squad,
and with the likes of Mourinho now, with all these experienced players now, when go they carry. La Liga football is mostly experience based. They grab. So I think Madrid first, then maybe Barcelona, then with the likes of maybe ATM. I don't think they are in race. Something like maybe Villarreal might come out of nowhere. They grab. So then for Premier League now, where it is more based.
Home base.
I will start from third.
You know, let's start from first.
Third now, I'm rooting for something like Tottenham. With the kinds of adjustments they have made.
They're not gonna go for relegation again.
They will, at least, I'm very, very sure they are going to finish third, fourth, or fifth this season, but I'm placing them on third. You grab for ranking's sake. Then second, I'm thinking of something like Arsenal defending champions. You grab, and they still have that players and the capacity to retain the second position. They will, you know, say now normal 20 years when they take them, they grab. I'll be 22 years.
The president will do like before.
So we go stretch them again. Then first, I don't need to talk. My boys. Let me tell you something. I want to emphasize on this. I've touched my attack. I've touched my midfield. I've touched my defense. And I'm playing just one game. And it is a very, very high advantage to me. Remember the last time I did it, I carry league. So let's leave the rest to God.
No one, that's the opinion.
Me, I go still start from League 1. So for League 1, normal PSG. Then team we go to na Paris FC. Una season only them they beat these people PSG home and away last season. Paris FC. So the next one na Lyon. So coming to Serie A, two of my players don't dey Inter. So I think they go use that same chemistry to lock up the defense. So Inter on the first. So second, I feel say okay, may AC Milan did the second. I want me because you know say for Premier League that three backside no the two work, but if in the other league maybe I'm more if he adjust based on the experienced players we get if he work for them that side. So AC Milan in second, then Napoli in third because now them be the main old lady. They just they pack old lady because I don't know how they expect make Kevin De Bruyne see they carry them at that age. Then if you reach Bundesliga, normally normal Bayern go carry their plate because na plate they give them. Bayern go carry their plate. Then
no be small plate.
Bayern Leverkusen go they follow. Then normally what's be their name? Borussia Dortmund go they back them up for third. Then if you reach La Liga, Real Madrid just they sign anything where do dread like me. Diomande, all of us they follow go.
And they big pass you.
And as far as say that Vinicius and Mbappe still did that team, they no go still progress.
Okay, because I don't do for Champions League.
So I still they talk. Barcelona will retain the first position. The second position, normal nobody will challenge Madrid again. Then the third position, now Girona. Girona go take the third position. Then maybe we'll come to the Premier League where everybody watches. So I will start from the first position. First position is coming. Man City go win them again. We leave Arsenal win them. So we not go try to do that mistake again. So second team we go carry second. team wey go carry second na Chelsea because based on say if you look the structure of the game now, the only game wey dey play this season na maybe Carabao Cup and FA Cup. Then focus more on Premier League. They no go dey enter plane comot England, so their home base only boss na the boss driver go dey
Na this plane
go
I
dey
know
stay
I
there.
know like
Don't talk this now.
they just stop in London.
So they go just stuck in London. They go just dey run around with boss.
Suffer in London.
That plane go dey just dey relax, dey warm.
So the team wey go play
We
top
save them fuel now.
na
Dey save
Arsenal.
them fuel.
Arsenal because they feel like say with the adjustment of people wey don come on like Trossard wey don comot, so they go try make add some player for the attack like with this like wetin with that guy wey they sign new for the attack, and at the hear say they wan bring Bruno Guimaraes. They don comot Nogard just comot, so possibly Vini, of which I'm not sure say Madrid fit leave and go now. So I dey feel like say Arsenal third, Chelsea second, and Man City first.
Yeah.
So
As everybody don talk their own opinion now, everybody don talk their own best team wey go dey for top 3. So me, I dey feel say for my own opinion, make I just start from Premier League, make I just first give them that respect as Igwe now, wey dey big dogs, big dogs. From the way wey Man U don dey push now since last season, everybody don know say carry new, e get the kind thing wey carry dey come. So this season I dey root for Man U. Man U na the people wey go win the league. Na people I dey root for. Then second, make I just pity my brothers Chelsea based on say na only that game wey they dey play for. Just like this one talk, they no go comot England. Based on say, but I no believe on them say they go reach that, they go do that second though, but make they no really fuck up sha. But make I just put Chase for that second because they go, you know say last season you get the time where Man U and Chase come dey together. As they come dey together small, Chase just go down, Man U now go. So that next season wey dey come, I dey feel say as Man U go dey the first, Chelsea also go dey follow am. Make dem just dey our back. So I dey feel person wey go dey the third na Liverpool.
Yeah.
I dey feel Liverpool go also dey for the third because of their new coach. Their coach good and with the kind system wey dey play. So make we go to La Liga. La Liga na Madrid. Madrid no carry anything last season, so this season they go try. They don strengthen their team already
With coach.
with good coach, with some experienced players.
And Cuckoo baby.
And even Bernardo Silva sef, even if this signing letter work now, Rodri come later enter now. That signing guy. So I dey root for Madrid to carry that league because if Madrid no really carry this that La Liga this season, we I say we go pray to Father, we go to church because e no dey normal again because e come be like say as Mbappe come enter.
E dey normal. Barca don win am 3 straight before, so e dey
No,
normal.
e no go dey normal again. Unlike Madrid. So second na normal na Barca go dey follow them. Then third, I dey feel say Real Betis go really do well next season sha. Then going to Ligue 1, still PSG. Then second na Paris. That Paris also they're good. Then the third na Lens. Lens also they're good. Na people wey I dey root for from France League, Ligue 1. Then Bundesliga. Normal na Bayern with their hot plate.
Whatever.
Whatever. But they will use hot. Then second na Frankfurt. Frankfurt they really do well from the last games wey they play last season sha. They really dey try, and I believe say this season as new signing wey they don do, say as Awada boy don enter Frankfurt na, say they go really do well. Then third na Dortmund. Then Dortmund go really do well. So make we just watch out how next season go be sha. Make we just hear from your own opinion in the comment section. Whether just tell us your own team sha, your own top 3 teams that will perform in their own league sha. Thank you.
Shey don reach